This is the roadmap. It is a step-by-step guide to writing a novel that takes you from an idea to a completed manuscript. If you're new to writing, then you might want to follow all the steps in order. That way, you will learn the craft of writing, whilst actually completing your first novel. If you are a more experienced writer, then you may prefer to pick and choose from the advice and guidance offered, refreshing your memory about some aspects of the craft, filling in gaps in your knowledge, and picking up new tips and tricks. The roadmap consists of a list of tasks, which you can see down the left-hand side. Each step has a checkbox, so you can mark when you've completed it. And each task comes with an article, which takes up the large main area in the center, and a video which can be found in the top of the right-hand sidebar. Beneath the video, you will find a practical task which you must complete in order to progress through your novel. This task also has a completed checkbox, which is a duplicate of the one found in the contents on the left. Checking either box will also mark its twin as done. So to complete the roadmap, you simply need to read the article, watch the video, complete the task, and mark it as done. Then you move on to the next step and do the same. If you follow all the steps in this way, then when you get to the end, you will have a completed manuscript and a good understanding of all the major principles of good novel writing.